Welcome to day 1 of our Windows 10 and 11 operating system guide for 2025. If you're new to using a PC or just upgraded your Windows, you're in the right place. Today, we'll show you the basics to help you get started with confidence. Let's start from the very beginning. Press the power button on your laptop or desktop. Wait a few seconds for your system to boot up. If this is your first time starting it, Windows might ask you to go through some setup steps. When Windows loads, you'll see the lock screen. Click anywhere or press any key to move to the sign-in screen. If you have a password or PIN set, enter it here. Once done, you're taken to the Windows desktop, your main workspace. Now you're on the desktop. Here's what you'll see. The desktop icons, shortcuts to apps or folders. The taskbar, it runs along the bottom. It shows open apps and has the Start button on the left. The Start menu, click the Windows icon to open it. From here, you can access all your apps, settings, and power options. To open a program, click the Start button and scroll to find it, or type its name in the search bar. To close any window, click the X button on the top right. Want to open a new window? Just double-click an icon or launch from the Start menu. When you're done, don't just turn off the power. Click the Start button, then select Power and choose Shutdown. This closes everything properly and keeps your system healthy. That's it for day 1. You've just learned how to turn on your PC, explore the desktop, use the Start menu, and shut down safely. Join us tomorrow for day 2, where we'll walk you through setting up Windows the right way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any videos in this series.